Once, in a forest of towering emerald trees and tangled vines, lived a mighty lion named Goldmane. He was the strongest of all the creatures, with a roar that could shake the very roots of the ancient oaks. However, his heart was as hard as the stones in the riverbed, and he spent his days hunting every animal he could find. The other animals lived in constant fear. They spent their days hiding under giant ferns and inside hollow logs, whispering about the golden shadow that haunted their paths. One day, a wise old elephant and a graceful deer gathered everyone together in a secret clearing to find a way to stop the terror. The animals decided to go to Goldmane with a proposal. "Oh, King," the elephant said, stepping forward bravely while the others watched from the shadows. "Spare us from the hunt. Every day, we will choose one among us to come to your den freely. This way, you may eat without effort, and we may live in peace." The lion agreed with a hungry roar. Days turned into weeks, and many animals were lost. Finally, the lot fell to a small, quiet rabbit named Twitch. While the other animals wept for him, Twitch did not shed a single tear. He stood tall, and a clever spark danced in his eyes that no one had ever noticed before. Twitch set off toward the lion's den as the sun began to climb. He walked with slow, deliberate steps, stopping often to watch the clouds or sniff the wildflowers. He wasn't being lazy. He was letting the hours tick away, waiting for the perfect moment when the sun would be high and the lion would be hungriest. When Twitch finally arrived at the cave, Goldmane was pacing back and forth, his tail lashing like a whip. "You're late," the lion bellowed, his voice making the leaves tremble. "And you're so small. I'll eat every animal in the forest for this insult." Twitch bowed low, his ears touching the ground. "Please, great king, it is not my fault," he squeaked. "On my way here, I was stopped by another lion. He was massive and fierce. He claimed that he was the true ruler of this forest and said that you were nothing but a common kitten." Goldmane's fur bristled with rage. No one challenged his throne. "Show me this pretender," he commanded, his eyes flashing. Twitch led the way through the thickest, darkest part of the woods until they reached an old stone well hidden by thick moss and ivy. "He is hiding in there," Twitch whispered, pointing a small paw down into the dark, still water of the well. Goldmane leaned over the edge, baring his teeth. There, reflected in the mirror-like surface, was a fierce lion looking back at him. When Goldmane growled, the reflection growled back. With a deafening roar, Goldmane leaped into the well to strike his rival. But there was no other lion, only the cold, deep water. Twitch hopped back to the clearing to share the news. The animals were finally free, celebrating the truth that a sharp mind is the greatest strength of all.